Hi everyone, Andre here from Nexttools Dev Team. And in today's video, we will see how to, this is a very nice functionality that a lot of merchants asked. And as of today, it's not possible to have this behavior, but with our apps, you would be able to achieve that. But which functionalities we are talking about is apply to different discount types. So a shipping discount plus an order discount, using the same discount code. So to do this, what we are going to do is to create an order discount using SupaEasy, using the specific code. So it will be a code discount. And then we will use AttributePro to sync the user discount codes with a cart attribute. And then we will create an automatic discount, an automatic shipping discount that will read the cart attribute and apply the discount based on the cart attribute that should be equal to the discount code. But let's take a look and let's dip into the app. Okay, so first thing first, we need to be sure to have the AttributePro extension enabled into our checkout. So let's take a look at our checkout settings, customize, and be sure that into the AttributePro checkout UI extension is enable the sync discount codes. Set it to true and save. Okay, perfect. Now to test this functionality, let's remove this one. Let's create a simple order discount into SupaEasy. We can use also the UI wizard creator to do this. So let's say that this one is a simple order discount. With this discount, we are going to just provide a simple 20% discount without any condition. So it's 20% off on all order. This is the message that will be shown to our customer. Select that you want to apply a percentage total discount and make it like a code discount. Add the code and my order code discount. Perfect. Remember to make it stackable with other discount type, otherwise it will not work. Perfect. We have now our code conditional discount, and so we can test it into our discount. Perfect. Now the discount is working as expected, but let's take a look on how now we can provide also a shipping discount and discount also this to rate by 100%. So this discount will give a 20% discount on the cart and a 100% discount on all the shipping rates. So what we need to do is create a shipping discount into SupaEasy. So free shipping with my order discount, okay? And now into our cart qualifier, we will say that if the cart has attribute, and remember the key that you need to provide that is provided by AttributePro, and the value is exactly like the discount that the code discount that we are using. What we want to do is provide a percentage discount of 100%, 100 off. Just provide a message to your customer. Just provide a message to your customer. And all the rates. This discount also needs to be stackable. Hit save. Perfect. So now we have an automatic discount that is a shipping discount that listens for a cart attribute that needs to have a specific value. Then we have AttributePro that sync the discount codes used into the checkout into a cart attribute. And then we have the code discount created with SupaEasy that have the specific code. So let's reload the page. Now, as you can see, all the shipping rates are discounted by 100% because of the code that we are using into our checkout. If we remove this code, yeah, we should, perfect. Let it update. As you can see, no order discount is applied. No order discount is applied. Neither the shipping discount is applied. So just to recap, we created an automatic discount for the shipping. You can also bring in other discount using the same technique. So for example, we can fire also another automatic discount. Let's say that we want to provide another additional discount on order. And we use the same criteria. So we check if the cart has specific attribute, okay, that is equal to our discount code. And we provide another discount of this time just 5 off because of this one. Remember to set it stackable, and it needs to be an automatic discount because it will fire only when the cart has a specific attribute set by the AttributePro widget. So let's reload our checkout. Now we expect to see 2 order discount and 1 shipping discount, all using the same code. So apply this one. Okay, perfect. As you can see now, we have the first discount is the one provided by the order code discount. The second one is an automatic discount that listed for the cart attribute, and the third is a shipping discount that listed for the cart attribute with specific value that is equal to discount code that we want to use. And so we saw how to create multiple discount type with the same discount code using AttributePro plus SupaEasy. So AttributePro works like a widget or a plugin for SupaEasy, and it's just work to sync discount codes used into the checkout into cart attributes. Okay, let us know if everything is clear, or if you want to go deeper into other videos, other tutorials. Leave us a comment, and see you in the next video. Many thanks.